In this video, we will compare Beehiiv and ConvertKit. If you guys want to get started with either Beehiiv or ConvertKit, you can use the links given down in the description. When comparing Beehiiv and ConvertKit, both platforms provide strong email marketing capabilities, but they cater to different types of users and business needs. Beehiiv is a modern email marketing platform tailored for creators and newsletter-driven businesses. It offers an intuitive, user-friendly interface with powerful features such as custom subscription forms, content scheduling, and detailed analytics. Beehiiv is particularly well-suited for those who prioritize growing their subscriber base and monetizing their content. It's also great for segmenting audiences and automating workflows. ConvertKit, on the other hand, is a more established platform that caters to creators, marketers, and small businesses. It offers advanced email automation, landing page creation, and customizable email sequences. ConvertKit is known for its strong automation workflows, which allows users to build complex marketing funnels. It also integrates well with other tools and platforms, making it a solid choice for marketers who need flexibility and scalability. In my opinion, if you're a creator or small business owner looking for a straightforward, content-focused email marketing platform, Beehiiv might be the better choice. However, if you need more advanced automation and a tool that integrates well with your overall marketing strategy, ConvertKit would likely be the better fit. So that's a comparison between Beehiiv and ConvertKit. Make sure to use the links given down in the description to get started with either Beehiiv or ConvertKit. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.